Welcome to ProxyLink. Today, we'll guide you through setting up a proxy on Google Chrome for those tired of restrictions or concerned about online privacy. This step-by-step guide is designed for everyone, even if you're not tech-savvy. Let's dive in. Before we start, let's cover the basics. A proxy serves as a middleman between your computer and the internet, concealing your IP for anonymous web surfing. Now, let's get started. Now, let's jump into the practical steps. First, you'll need to access Chrome's settings. Make sure your Google Chrome browser is up and running. If you don't have it, download and install it. In the upper right corner, click on the 3 vertical dots to open the menu. Scroll down and click on Settings. Find System and click on it. And now, let's dive into changing your proxy settings on Windows. Click on Open your computer's proxy settings. This will direct you to your computer's proxy settings. Scroll down to the Manual Proxy Setup section. Toggle the switch to turn on the Manual Proxy Setup. Enter the proxy server and port provided by your proxy provider. For my part, I use ProxyLink. After choosing your subscription, you need to click on the Proxy Generator category. You can choose the country, whether you want a rotating or sticky proxy, the format of your proxy, and the number of proxies you want, then click on Generate. Once your proxy is generated, copy only the IP and port to paste them into the Windows proxy settings. After entering the details, click Save. Now let's talk about securing your connection through authentication. Authentication required. Depending on your proxy provider, you might need to enter a username and password for authentication. If required, enter the details. In my case, they are mandatory, so I copy the username and password to insert them into the dialog box on Chrome. Once the details are entered, press Sign In. You can save the login details to use them later without re-entering the password each time. To ensure your proxy is active, check your IP address. It should display the IP address provided by your proxy, not your actual IP address. Bonus tip: to check the fraud score of your proxy IP address, visit Scamalytics.com and enter the IP address assigned by the proxy. In my case, the fraud score is 0, indicating that the proxy is likely to be considered reliable and legitimate by security systems and anti-fraud filters. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to set up a proxy on Google Chrome. Whether it's for privacy, security, or access to restricted content, using a proxy can be a valuable tool. Experiment with different proxy types and providers to find what works best for your needs. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more proxy tips and tutorials. Thanks for tuning in to ProxyLink, and we'll see you in the next one.